We're here at the Modig factory in Sweden, the headquarters in Kalmar. And Marcin, you're not from Sweden, are you? They take on so many people from so many different backgrounds. And just give us a little bit of an introduction about your background, please.
So, few years. Originally, I'm from Poland. So I finished their school and working few years as well, like a programmer, CNC programmer. Then I moved to Ireland. I work in there in company. We making like pharmaceutical, medical parts, aerospace parts. I work in there on the 5-axis, 3-axis, Iridium, whatever was there.
So you found, what did you find? You found an advert.
I find the advert from Modig, and I decide to apply for that. We have the video chat. Just on that time, I can do it like video chat with them. I can come like for a weekend, to see what happens.
And was that quite daunting when you went for a job offer and you had a video call somewhere that was almost kind of a quarter of the way around the world? From Ireland to Sweden is a long way. Was it quite daunting, the idea of moving to Modig here in Kalmar, Sweden?
But after I spoke with Peter, with David, I seen like there are. Like David is very honest, and as well what I ask or whatever was done before I came. So.
Okay, and what attracted you to Modig specifically? What do you like about the work environment here?
It's very good. It's very nice, and there's no pressure. You need to do it. Your job, but it's not like you are under stress. You do it like you as well is help with the. Develop yourself, and if you have any problems there as well, they are open to help you.
I'm walking around here with talking with David. He gave us a tour. You guys make some fantastic machine tools, super high-spec machine tools, but it's still a family-run business. And do you think that helps in pushing every employee with their thirst for knowledge and willingness to learn? Do you think the fact that it's still a family-run business helps with you developing yourself?
Of course, we're dealing with the latest technology. So we need to follow that technology. Automatically you develop yourself, and the people are like family. It's like family business. So the people are helpful as well. If you have any problems, or somebody have more experience, you have somebody to learn from with.
And I found personally as well, just speaking to the operators around here, everyone I walk past there goes, "Hello, how you doing?" Gives me a big bright smile. And everyone obviously absolutely loves working here, but. Enough about that. We've talked about your life moving from Poland to Ireland up to Sweden, but let's talk about just your daily life now. I mean, what excites you when you wake up in the morning and you think, I'm going to work, I'm so looking forward to doing this? What excites you about working at Modig?
Exciting. It's like every time, not maybe every time, but we have like each person from us, from the programmer office, we get the individual projects. So we're dealing with that. And that is like, you're thinking about all the time, because usually it's prototypes as well. So like the first parts, like for me, maybe that was running before, but for me, every part now is like prototype for me. Like.
So everything's new, everything's exciting. If you could just sum up in a sentence how you feel about your decision to move to Sweden to work for Modig, if you could sum up in a sentence, what would it be?
Was 200% on yes. I not regret that I moved here. So
I love it. Absolutely no regrets and 200% yes to moving to work for Modig at the fantastic headquarters here in Kalmar. I'm amazed at the people here. I'm amazed at the machines, and you could only make fantastic technology with fantastic people, and that's definitely what we've seen today here at Modig.